welcome to It's Tomorrow News. I am Hena Talati. China issues yellow alert for blizzards and cold wave. China's meteorological authority has issued a yellow alert for blizzards and cold wave as the country experiences the first cold wave of 2024. The central and eastern regions are facing the severe drop in temperatures, while the heavy snowstorms are expected to hit many southern areas. The National Meteorological Center has issued a yellow alert for heavy snow in several provinces including Yunnan, Jiangxi, Zhejiang, Fujian and Guangxi. Snowfall of 2 centimeters to 6 centimeters is expected from Monday afternoon to Tuesday afternoon. Freezing rain is anticipated in parts of the Guangzhou, Yunnan and Guangxi during the same period. China's 4-tier weather warning system uses colors, with red being the most severe, followed by orange, yellow and blue. The authorities have advised pedestrians and drivers to exercise caution during the snowy weather, and local authorities are urged to take precautions for roads, railways, electricity and telecommunications. In response to the cold wave, NMC has issued a yellow alert for temperatures dropped of 8 to 10 degrees Celsius in many regions from Sunday to Tuesday. Some areas including Jilin, Liaoning and Jiangxi provinces may experience a temperature drop of up to 12 to 16 degrees Celsius. Guangxi and Guangdong provinces are expected to see temperatures fall below zero by Tuesday. A blue alert for the wind has also been issued, affecting areas such as Liangdong Peninsula and Shandong, where the strong winds and gusts are expected until Monday. Residents are reminded to stay warm, guard against health risks, and take precautions for electricity, fire, and gas usage. Protection measures for crops against freezing are being reinforced, and the prompt harvesting of mature vegetables and fruits is advised. The situation is developing and further updates will be provided as more information becomes available. That's all for now. For more news updates, stay tuned with us. It's Tomorrow News. For more global weather updates like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates.